In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Enye in Canva. First, open Canva. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app, both work the same for this. Once Canva is open, go to your existing project, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Choose any size or template you like. The shortcut for the Enye will work anywhere there's editable text. Next, add a text box. Click into it so you see the blinking cursor. This is important. The keyboard shortcuts only work when your text box is active, so make sure your cursor is inside the box before you type. Let's start with Windows. For the uppercase N, hold down the Alt key and type 0209 on the numeric keypad, then release Alt. For the lowercase n, hold Alt and type 0241 on the numeric keypad, then let go. A couple of quick tips here: these codes must be entered on the numeric keypad, the set of numbers usually on the right side of a full-size keyboard. The number row at the top won't work for Alt codes. If your keyboard has a number lock key, make sure it's turned on. Many compact or laptop keyboards have an embedded numeric keypad. Check your model's markings to find the right keys. The character appears the moment you release the Alt key, so keep Alt held the entire time you type the numbers. Now for Mac. To type uppercase N, press Option and N together, release, then press N once more. For lowercase n, press Option and N, release, then press the letter N. You'll notice that pressing Option and N first sets up the tilde accent, and the second key confirms the letter you want it applied to. If nothing appears, double-check that your text box is selected in Canva. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.